welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix iPhone and iPad login problem after update iOS 17. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, close this all background apps, close this, and after that check whether problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then open your setting and from here scroll down and click on general, and from here scroll down and click on shutdown, and from here what you need to do it, slide to power off, and after few minutes you have again turn it on, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method, go back your home screen and open your again setting, and from here scroll down and click on general and click on iPhone storage, and from here what you need to do is check your iPhone and iPad memories, and from here delete useless app, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.